Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be learning about Guess the Animal Farm Animal version. Can you guess which animal this is? It starts with the letter C. Can you guess the animal now? Yes, it's a cow. Cow starts with the letter C. Can you guess what animal is this? It starts with the letter P. Yes, it's a pig. Pig starts with the letter P. What animal is this? It starts with the letter S. Yes, it is a sheep. Sheep starts with the letter S. Can you guess what animal this is? It starts with the letter D. You guessed it, it is a duck. Duck starts with the letter D. Can you guess which animal this is? It starts with the letter H. It is a horse. Horse starts with the letter H. Can you guess which animal this could be? It starts with the letter F. It is a frog. Frog starts with the letter F. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.